Drones are everywhere now. Small, fast, cheap, and in some cases, deadly. They can spy, track, deliver payloads, and swarm targets in ways traditional defense systems were never designed to handle. So how do you stop something that's small, unpredictable, and flying straight at you? You don't use a missile, you use a shotgun, but not the kind you're thinking of. This is anti-drone shotgun technology, and it's built specifically to take down aerial threats at close range, fast. Instead of firing a single bullet, these systems fire specialized rounds designed to spread out in the air. That spread increases the chance of hitting a fast-moving drone, even if your aim isn't perfect. Because here's the problem with drones. They don't move like planes. They zig. They drop. They change direction instantly. Trying to hit one with a precise shot is way harder than it sounds. So engineers flipped the approach. Instead of perfect accuracy, they use controlled spread. One trigger pull sends out a pattern that can shred propellers, damage sensors, or knock the drone completely out of the sky. And some versions go even further. There are rounds designed to release nets mid-air, literally capturing drones instead of destroying them. Others use fragmentation patterns that maximize impact without over-penetration. And that matters. Because a lot of these situations happen in urban environments, where you don't want bullets flying past your target. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some of these systems aren't just standalone weapons. They're part of a larger anti-drone defense setups that include radar tracking, signal jamming, and automated targeting systems. Meaning by the time the operator pulls the trigger, the drone is already tracked, predicted, and lined up. And then, one shot. Problem solved. But the real reason this tech is gaining attention? Speed. Missile systems are expensive. Electronic warfare doesn't always work, and drones are getting smarter. Shotgun-based defense is fast, relatively low cost, and extremely effective at close range. That makes it ideal for military patrols, security teams, and even critical infrastructure protection. Airports, power plants, events, anywhere a drone could be a threat. And as drone technology keeps evolving, so will the ways we stop them. Because in modern warfare and even civilian defense, the battle isn't just on the ground anymore. It's right above your head. And sometimes, the simplest solution is the one that works best.